Create or customize CRM system dashboards. Make the data that matters easily accessible to your teams in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. This ebook is part of the Microsoft Training and Adoption Kit available on the CRM Help website. Hi, I'm Steve No. I'm an experienced software consultant, the last 10 years using Microsoft Dynamics CRM, designing solutions, implementing them, and training CRM teams. We offer Dynamics CRM consulting, development, team mentoring, and training. We also use our Dynamics CRM training materials as a basis to develop customized end-user training materials and videos based upon your processes and customizations. Making data meaningful. Information is the oil of the 21st century, and analytics is the combustion engine. Peter Sonnegaard, Senior Vice President at Gartner. Information is the lifeblood of our business, but business information is only meaningful if it's presented in a way that sales, marketing, and service teams can easily understand and act on. Dashboards provide the vehicle to uncover and visualize your most important information, the data that matters, so that your teams can make quick and informed decisions. Performance at a glance. Dashboards collect your organization's most important information in one place in an easy-to-read format. Use a dashboard to gain insights in real time and then take appropriate action. Here's an example of the sales pipeline. What's in the sales pipeline? Which campaign developed the most sales leads? What does the caseload look like this week? What are my highest priorities and when are they due? Dig deeper for greater insights. When you want to know more, you can interact with your dashboard data. You can drill down into a part of the chart like a single bar on a bar chart, and you can use that to see the underlying data that makes up that part of the chart. CRM provides different dashboards for different roles. A salesperson tracking opportunities needs a different dashboard than a sales manager or an executive focused on performance. With CRM, you can pick the right dashboard for your role, whether you're in sales, service, marketing, and depending upon your focus. Pick from any of the following built-in dashboards on this list. In sales dashboards, we have sales activities, the sales activity social dashboard, the sales dashboard, and the sales performance dashboard. Under customer service, we have the customer service manager dashboard, customer server representative social dashboard, customer service performance dashboard, customer service operations dashboard, and customer service representative dashboard. Under marketing, we have the marketing dashboard and the marketing social dashboard. Then we have some general dashboards, the Microsoft Dynamics CRM overview dashboard and the Microsoft Dynamics CRM social overview dashboard. However, if the built-in dashboards don't really meet your needs, you can modify them or you can create your own new dashboards. If you're using Microsoft Social Engagement or Microsoft Dynamics Marketing with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, you can access additional dashboards. Dashboard fundamentals. There's two main types of dashboards in Dynamics CRM: system dashboards and user dashboards. So here's what you need to know about each. System dashboards are created by a system admin or customizer. They're created in the settings area. They must be published to be visible. They're visible to everyone in the organization, although they can be hidden using security roles. And the system admin or system customizer can set a particular dashboard as the default dashboard, the one everyone sees when they start CRM for the whole organization. User dashboards are a little bit different. They're created by any user. They're created in a user's work area, such as sales, service, or marketing. They do not need to be published to be visible. They're visible only to the user who creates them, although a user can share a dashboard or assign them to another user. A user can set their own default dashboard, overriding the default dashboard set by the system admin or system customizer. And that default dashboard can be either a system dashboard or a user dashboard. So this ebook focuses on creating and customizing system dashboards. Creating or modifying a system dashboard. The sales team at Contoso has requested a change to the sales dashboard, which is a system dashboard. They've decided it's more important to see their monthly sales totals than their active accounts. They also want to compare their actual sales to sales estimates to see how well they're doing. So we'll modify the sales dashboard in this example to meet the needs of the Contoso sales team. Modifying a system dashboard. In this example, we'll replace the active accounts list on the sales dashboard with a new chart. So to do this, we'll go into the sales dashboard and we'll remove this list. And we'll go back and we'll replace it with this chart. Opening a system dashboard. If you're running the latest version of CRM, then your menu system looks like this. And on the nav bar, you choose the main menu button, then choose settings, and then finally customizations. Earlier versions, you choose the Microsoft Dynamics CRM logo, then choose settings, and then customizations. Once you get to the customization page, you choose Customize the System. This will open the default solution, and in the default solution, you will choose Dashboards in the left nav here. Then we want to double-click the sales dashboard to open it. This will bring up the dashboard layout, which we will work with now. The default sales dashboard includes 4 lists and 2 charts. In the layout screen, you'll see 6 squares, 1 for each component. In the layout screen, you just see the list name, not the list data, and you'll also see the charts in the layout screen. Remove the list or other component. To remove a list or any other component, we select it and then choose Remove at the top of the screen. Now, if you remove a component from one of the squares in the top row, CRM automatically moves the component below up. You can't have an empty component square in the top row of the dashboard. Add a chart. Now let's add the chart. CRM includes many ready-made system charts that are simple to add, or you can create and add your own system charts if you have system administrator or system customizer role. So first we choose chart at the top of the layout screen. In the add component dialog box, we select the records for record type, chart, and view. So we want to select opportunity, closed, opportunities in the current fiscal year, and estimated versus actual revenue. Then we click Add to add the chart to the dashboard layout. Adjust the size of a list or other component. The leads list on the sales dashboard lists 8 records. We can make the leads list taller so the sales team can see all open leads on one screen. To do this, we select the component and then click the More button, the 3 dots at the top of the screen, and then choose an option. In this case, increase height. Publish your changes. Since the sales dashboard is a system dashboard, we have to publish the changes to make them visible. Save your changes in the dashboard layout screen before doing this step. And then once you're back in the default solution window, select the dashboard and click Publish. View the updated dashboard. If you're using the latest version of CRM, choose Sales, Service, or Marketing, and then choose Dashboard. If you're using an earlier version, then you click Sales, Service, or Marketing tile. Next, you go and select the dashboard from the list of dashboards. The drop-down is right here. Choose the sales dashboard, and the new chart shows the estimated versus actual values, and the full list of leads is now visible. Set the default dashboard. The default dashboard is the first thing everyone in the organization sees after starting CRM unless they've changed their own default. We'll set the sales dashboard as the default since most users in this organization are salespeople. So in the default solution, first we select the dashboard, and then we click Set as Default. Hiding a dashboard from certain roles. System dashboards are visible to everyone in an organization, but you can use security roles to make a dashboard visible just to certain roles. So in the default solution window, we select the sales dashboard, and then we come up and select Enable Security Roles. In the Assign Security Roles dialog box, choose the Display Only to Selected Security Roles option here, and then check just the roles you want to provide access to. So in this example, we'd probably check the salesperson and the sales manager roles. Then you'll click OK to continue. Create a new system dashboard. In many cases, you'll want to create a new system dashboard specific to your organization's needs instead of modifying an existing dashboard. The process for creating a new dashboard is similar to modifying one. First, we go back into the default solution, we choose Dashboards, and then we click New. First, we'll choose a layout from a palette of choices, and then we'll enter a name for the dashboard. To add a chart or list to a new dashboard, choose Insert Chart or Insert List in the component square that you want to add the chart or list to. So after you've selected your layout, you'll see these boxes presented, and you'll be able to go and insert what you want to have in each one. Once you've clicked this, this will open the Add Component dialog box, and you'll need to fill out the form. Finally, you'll click Add. Change list or chart options. To change a basic list or chart options from the dashboard layout screen, just double-click the chart or list you want to change. Then use the resulting Set Properties dialog box to select the options that you want. These options here apply to lists and charts. This set of options applies to just lists, and these options apply to just charts. You must set certain types of options in the underlying chart or list. For example, to change the type of chart, column, bar, pie, etc., the legend or horizontal axis labels, you must go into the underlying chart itself and modify that. See our video for creating charts on that. List options you can set from the dashboard. The name contains a unique ID used to identify the list. CRM selects a value, but you can change it. Label, you can add a label. Entity, this is the record type that the list will be based upon. This value determines values available for the default view. The default view, the view used for the list when the dashboard is open. A user can change the view, but the list will revert to the default view the next time the dashboard is open. Display the search box. This displays or hides the search box that allows a user to enter a search criteria. Display the index. Displays or hides the A to Z filters at the bottom of the list. The view selector. Select off to remove the view selector from the list. Select Show All Views to allow users to select any system view when they use the dashboard. To limit the available views, select Show Selected Views, hold down the Control key, and then select the specific views from the list that you want to be offered to the user. Chart options you can set from a dashboard. The name and the label, the entity, the default view, the default chart that is displayed when the dashboard is first opened, and whether or not you want users to be able to change the type of chart, column, bar, pie, etc., that's displayed when they're using the dashboard. The chart type refers to the default chart when the dashboard is closed. What else can you do with dashboards? It's easy to add lists and charts to your CRM dashboards, but what if you want to go beyond standard lists and charts? CRM provides flexible tools that allow you to do many amazing things with your dashboards. Go social. You can take advantage of Microsoft social engagement to hear what people are saying on social networks like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and blogs. Then add social engagement charts to your dashboard. To learn more about Microsoft social engagement for CRM, see the Microsoft Social Engagement for CRM ebook. Add a web page or other web item. You can use special components called iframes and other web resources to extend your dashboards in several ways. For example, you could use an iframe or a web resource for any of the following. Add immediate access to your SharePoint site. Add an industry news page. Add an external list, chart, or report from another app. Add training instructions. Add an activity feed. You use an iframe to display a web page or run a web app. You can use an iframe to refer to sources outside your domain, such as on the web. You use a web resource to display an HTML page or image, or to run a Silverlight application or JavaScript code. Web resources are stored on the Microsoft Dynamics CRM server in your organization. Use an iframe to add a web page or a web app. Open an existing dashboard or create a new dashboard as described earlier in this ebook. Do one of the following. If you're creating a new dashboard, choose the Insert iframe icon. If you're modifying an existing dashboard, choose iframe at the top of the screen. In the Add the iframe dialog box in the URL field, enter a URL for a web page or a web app. For example, enter the URL for your SharePoint site. If you're referring to an external website, you may need to clear the Restrict Cross-Frame Scripting Where Supported checkbox. CRM blocks cross-frame scripting by default because scripts from other websites can include malicious code. You may want to restrict cross-site scripting for external sites you don't trust. For more information, choose the link below, the Restrict Cross-Frame Scripting checkbox. Once you've entered your information, choose OK to add the iframe to the dashboard. Add a web resource. First, you have to create the web resource. For example, you could use the built-in web resource text editor to create a training page. Open an existing dashboard or create a new dashboard as described earlier in this ebook. Do one of the following. If you're creating a new dashboard, choose the web resource icon. If you're modifying an existing dashboard, choose the web resource at the top of the dashboard layout screen. In the Add Web Resource dialog box, choose the Lookup button to search for the web resource. Select the appropriate web resource and then click OK. CRM Help and Training. The CRM Help and Training website has a lot of great help content, including videos, ebooks, walkthroughs, customizable training, and much more. At BizIT Pro, we also have resources to help you out. So check us out at our website, www.bizitpro.com, our blog, mscrmmaster.com, our YouTube page, Twitter, or email me at steve@bizitpro.com if there's something I can help you with. I hope you found this helpful. Hope you have a great day.